And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to do an unboxing on this phone. I don't remember which one this is. Let me take a look. I can kind of get an idea. I think this one is going to be... Let's see. I think these two are actually going to be together. This little box and these ones ordered them together, but he shipped them separately. So... Oops. There we go. Boom. Alrighty. So here we have two phones. And this plastic thing, which I'm pretty sure doesn't go to these phones, but it's there. So the first one is the Samsung... let's see. Oh, the glue's coming apart, but it's the, I can't remember the name. I think it's the Elias 2. But yeah, there's that. And then we have this Samsung phone that's basically brand new, as you can tell. I got these really cheap, I would say. This is the A795. It looks like it has a SIM card tray, and this is a Verizon device, so I'm wondering if it's one of these GSM phones as well. Assuming it has no charge. And no charge as well. These are from the same seller, and this one's also from the same seller. He just shipped them separately. I'm guessing probably because I kind of actually ordered these a couple, I think it was like a day apart maybe, so that's probably why he shipped them separately. So that was my bad, guys. But there's that, and here's this one. This is an LG VX7000. And you see it's got some bleed through on the glue that holds this plastic cover on the LCD, but I think the LCD is good. So that one's got the rotating camera. So these are these three. I'll do an update on them. I'll see if I can get them charged and see what happens, see what's going on with them, guys. But hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.